It's a root vegetable maple balsamic dressing salad. You're going to love this one. The great thing about this salad this time of year is that root vegetables are plentiful and very cheap. It's important not to crowd them because if you do, they'll steam rather than roast. So spread them out. Drizzle with olive oil. Sprinkle on a little bit of ground Himalayan pink salt. Black pepper. I've just added some almonds to the sweet potatoes and beets, which have been roasting for half an hour. I'm going to put them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Pork tender. Beets are cooked. Add the roasted vegetables and almonds. If you don't have almonds, you can use walnuts, cashews. We're adding dried cranberries. This adds a sweetness along with the sweetness from the sweet potatoes and beets. We're adding some goat cheese. If you don't have goat cheese, you can use feta. A tangy soft cheese is what we're looking for. I'm going to crumble the goat cheese right on top. This is a maple balsamic dressing, equal parts of olive oil, balsamic vinegar, maple syrup, and about a teaspoon of mustard. Right before you eat this, you might want to heat it up a little bit. The warm dressing on the salad is delicious. I've served myself up some salad. Let's see how it tastes. That is so good. This is a delicious salad. You're going to want to make this. Until next time.